test. Come on, can you hear me? Am I being heard? Let me see if I can change something. Looks like my microphone doesn't work, right? Does it work? Hello? Yeah. Okay. Alright. I'll be starting in a second. I need to fix things up first and put some music and we'll start. Okay. Let me see. So here comes the music. Where's my music? Yes. Alright. Let me know if the music is too loud. If there's someone on stream, let me know if the music is too loud, okay? And let me know in the chat if you can't hear me or something like this. I need to find my mouse. Here's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at gold actually, but based on the fact, am I on the right page? Let me go there. Okay. Let me know if the music is too loud, right? Regarding the amount of swing that we already have on gold, I'm looking for a short. So we closed on a lower time frame. We closed below a low. Let me see if it was protected or something. I took that short earlier today from the 2000 up there. this, right? Which is a flip on the 1 minute, I guess. Maybe I have a time frame than the 1 minute. On the 5 minutes, it's a flip on the 5-2. What I need to see if it's for price to propagate, like to keep taking lows. If we close below that low on the correction, I'll try to find a short going lower. Right, but I'm no longer on the long side just because of the amount of swing that we have actually. Let me check. Let me go find my mouse. Wait, what? Be right back. I'll be right back. Mais donne-moi juste une seconde, je vais choper ma souris en bas. Ah fuck. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Alright, okay, so how you guys are doing? Let's see, we're gonna look at gold and Q as usual. I am, again, I won. Gold to drop a little bit based on the amount of swing. I could count on the we've been looking about in any minute, right? I'll be looking for short entry. Yeah, I'll be looking for short entry soon, and we'll see where it will go. Do you guys can you guys hear me though? Because I need to know if the sound is not too loud compared to my voice. Hello? Okay, cool. Can you write in the chat something? Alright. So I was saying I'd be looking for shorts on gold just based on the amount of swing that we already have. I'm not looking for long anymore. There's no confirmation. Higher time frame confirmation is when we get below that low and we correct in the previous zone, in the previous range, which is the last of move, which is this one, right? But I'm not long anymore on gold. I'll be looking for shorts. Let's see what NQ has to show. Let me check. Alright. Cool. Okay, on NQ, okay, NQ is playing with me because here's what I see. Where's my toolbox? Wait a second, I'm not at home, so my setup is kinda weird, I'd say. So here's what I see. Each time we came back to this, you can call this a resistance also, right? Each time we came back to this zone, we bounced out of it, right? We bounced out of it here, bounced out of it here, we bounced out of it there. We traded above the last high, we came back down, couldn't above that high, but no lows given, and we're still bullish. No matter what happened, we're still bullish. We're giving high, this low with that high, that made this low, that made that high. Anything that happened in between here and there is a range, right? So we are currently in the middle of the range, making choice out of this, right? But this is the higher time frame, right? But the higher time frame is still telling me to look to the upside. The only thing is, each time we come close to this level here, NQ reject. So I've been looking for NQ to take this high for 3 to 4 days now. Let's see what's gonna happen tonight, right? But the only thing is, I'm still looking to the upside with NQ. Alright, let me see. Let me drop the song. Maybe like this. How is the song compared to my voice? Maybe, is it better now? Is it better? Is the song? Can you guys hear me clearly with the music behind? So even though I'm still looking for long, this low couldn't put a new high as for now. This low right here. So we might be looking for a sweep. I'm expecting a bounce in that in the yellow zone right here. Yeah, if I was looking for long, I'd be looking here. Let me check. Put this here. So yeah, putting it out on this, and I'm just waiting for it, right? It's pretty higher time frame, you would say, right? I'm on NQ for now. I'm enticed to look only for longs, but as we're in a range, I don't make this. I don't build decision when we're in the center of the range to go higher or lower. So I'll wait. I'll wait a bit till we drop in cheaper prices, and I can look for long going back in the middle of the range at least. But I was saying before the music, when the music was too loud, that I'm still really bullish on NQ, looking for us to take those highs. But I don't know from which bounce it will. You know, I thought this was the one. I thought this was the one. I thought we would build something in here and go up there earlier today in New York session, but we didn't. So I just observe what price does, and I take what it gives me, right? And for now, I'm pretty sold on getting something out of this range, right there, some longs. That's it. That's what I'm looking at right now. Yes. I was arguing with on CA in Dave group that I'm looking for shorts on gold. Just once again, just based on the fact that we have so many swings past the last large one, right? Like, look at this. So this move here, this down move, send us right up there, right? So I'll be looking for some correction, maybe in here, at least there. Let's say on a higher time frame. This should take days to happen, right? But my confirmation short is when we break that low on a higher time frame. When we break that low, let me draw a little bit. So it go like this with that bounce, this, break that low, consolidate a little bit in here, bounce, up, equal high, and this is what I'm looking at for. Nothing like this. The last move is just to say that I'm looking for a down move once we retest the previous zone. I don't know how it will happen, but I'm looking for something like this. If we can close below that low, that's the condition for it, right? If we can close below that low, give a solid close, and then we can start getting some into lows for a little bit, then range again and up again. I'm not sold on gold getting to 2K anytime soon, right? But some correction would be nice. All right, let me get some tea. Be right back. All right, cool. A bit of tea. Alright, let me put the chat. Better, cool. Do I own any crypto? Yeah, I got some. I got some crypto, right? Do you? What's the specific about crypto? What do you want to know about crypto? If it moved the same way, it's the same thing. Exactly the same thing. I mean, barely. You need to know your asset, but from a general point of view, it's the same thing. Technical analysis works on it too. Alright, cool. So we all set. Let me check this. Let's put this their way. No. Okay. So yeah, about yes. So about the crypto, yes, I do own some crypto. As I was explaining, I'm still looking for downside on gold. Could be now, could be next week, right? The price could decide to put another high. That's a possibility, but the thing is, based on the amount of swings that we got already, I'm not on the long side. I'm not down to long gold. I'm not looking for a bouncy or something now. I'll be looking for shorts, and I'll be looking for a closure below this to, in the end, get the pullback, and from the pullback get down, right? Alright, let's see. What's up this? This room is that high, so I'm gonna put a new high. Looks like we're looking for some low in here. Yeah, I'd be willing to enter longs in the zone below right there. I'd be willing to enter long there, but not before. Don't see anything in here. This one, two, yeah, we're good. Look like price want to get below this, so I will let him do his thing first and then try to long it afterward, right? With some confirmation. Wait, give me a sec. So yeah, let me put structure pilots in bearish mode only, right? So you see the red swings, things are going down. Or maybe I just wait, but because I'm looking for I will on NQ I'm looking for long, right? And on gold I'm looking for short. The current position of both chart doesn't offer me the possibility to intervene right now. NQ I'll be looking here. And gold, we need to wait. There's need some things to happen first, because what I want is this, which is something like this to get in there. And to get this, we need some confirmation first. So I'm just observing what gold is doing in this session. And if it gives me what I want, I'll plan to get this entry tomorrow morning, I guess, something. So we just watch NQ in the meantime, right? Yeah. Yep. As usual, this is not financial advice, it's just me trading what I know. You can look at it, but don't take that as financial advice. Signal don't work usually. I used to take them, but they don't work. Just need to learn how the market works, and I'm just looking for the structural, the basic structure of the market to give me something. After a sweep in a zone that deliver above some higher time frame candle high, that's it. Any movement that did something is a challenger for me to do it again, right? Let me see, this is interesting. Remove this. This is not bad. Tap to tap. Yeah. Let me pip the chat. Nothing. Cool. Check other pairs. Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin? there for you. Yeah, this looks like lower. I had it running here and here. Let me check this. Maybe it's on this. Yeah. Yeah, Bitcoin doesn't tell me anything. It's all I see is the range. I wouldn't long before we get some lows. Before we get that low, I would not enter along because it looks like equal higher on the lows, and you might find some success with longs, but not before we get there. Before then, it's look like lower. All right. Oh, I see. There's Top Step was trending on X earlier. Why? Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to business, right? Thank you. I was expecting us to get a close above that high right here. If we got a close above that high, that would mean continuation. Close, tap back in, up, right? But we didn't. So we got 1, 2, this close below, came back in the previous range. I put this in red. And price is shorting, right? It's not the right layout. Yeah, that's like price for me. Alright, let's wait. So basically, you see the big zone that in here, it's the zone that the structure pilot gives you, right? It's I only show the bullish one for now because I'm looking for a move lower, but a move to go up, and no down moves. Low head for me tonight, at least on NQ, because I have a bias long, right? But if we the number here is the swing count from the indicators that we set each time we get below and above the last one. Basically, this is very helpful. I mean, I use it to trade though. I still do some things in between, but I use it to trade, and I find great success with it. Let's wait. How long till London open? Oh, since a while. Yeah, it's 4:15 at London local time. This could be excruciating, but I ain't looking for short. This low couldn't provide a new high as of yet, so I'm expecting for price to get in here and lower, up, lower. That's what I'm expecting. Let's see if it does that way. Alright. Price is slow. Let's get back on gold. Let me comment some. If you guys have any questions, I prefer question on price. So in this little leg that we have here, we have let me show you. So we will all agree that price came from here, made a large up move, followed by a down move, and from there equal high in the imbalance that's here, right? And that equal high started to drop, close below that low. Here, stone close below the low. We tested the level, and on the retest of the level, we have going up. We have one swing. We have wait. It's a lower time frame. We have 1, 2, 3 swing plus the origin that's here, which makes us 4. We pull back in this, get up again, and we counter swing again. So we have 1, 2, 3, pull back in the second one, and this low could not put a new high right there to assure price keep going up. So we start cruising back down. I don't want for us to take this slow with a strong close. That's important for me. This is with a strong close, because if the range start just right there, we could very well go back up. And since I'm only looking for short, I'd rather do this on a higher time frame with gold. So I'll be looking for gold to give me some close below this, which it can do, or just start reversing in there and put another high. That's a possibility. But since we made so much swings up, going up, I'm no longer looking for longs. Yep. I don't know if I have a picture of that order, because I wasn't this earlier today. Let me see. No. Oh. Alright. many swing do we have on this leg down? We have 1, 2, 3-ish swing. 15 minutes is boring. Maybe I should swing the US session because of the volatility, especially for you guys. It might be more enjoyable to look at the US session, but I mean, I trade at night, so I take my order at night. Don't really trade the US session those days. Okay. There's some mosquitoes around me. It's pretty annoying. Let's see. Thank you, it's pushing again. I have a friend that showed this. This is the French, like it's like the French. Yes, SP 500, S&P 500. It's like the French of it, right? French version of it. And there's a friend of mine that's shorting this just because the economy should collapse, but yeah, this is not bearish. Yeah, maybe it'll get some nice retracement from here, coming down here, but in the end, this is what I expect coming from this. What's go doing to me? Let's see. I won't go over from this. So from the top here, lower, top back, click on high, lower. This is what I want. Let's see. Maybe I should get it up. Alright, let me get some refill on my tea. I'll be there in 2-3 minutes. Let's say something like this. You look at price for me, right? You look at price. You look, see if price does that, right? If it gets below this, get a pullback. We'll see, right? All right. Yeah, I think I feel like everything is so slow tonight, but it's just because Trump doesn't talk, right? If Trump were talking about tariff and stuff, everything should start doing things. Usually, gold is a bit more motivated to move in Asia. Let's see, is there any news today in the US session? Oh, yeah, cool. Alright. How do we? Bruh. Price is like, I'm not moving from here. I will do a red candle later on. You just don't want to move. What doesn't Q say? Wow. So we're watching Q, right? We're watching Q. Don't forget we're looking for something in here, right? You see this alert? This alert will tell me, hey Felix, this is your level. Let's see if you get a flip or something, and then we take a long. Doesn't say. I'm not saying that this long will build up above here, right? But I think, yeah, because I could profit from some longs from here. Right? There was a short there. What was there? Not for me. Check. Da-da-da-da-dum. Let me send something to my associate and the rest of the courses. I expect us to go below that low. Yeah. There was a beautiful long in there. I saw someone I know took that long. Probably limited the high of that candle here. Thing you can do when you know what price is doing. Let me see the chat. Check the chat. The zone you have marked out on NQ is the protected low. What do you mean? This here? Here right there? Depends. No, depends. You mean this? This is what you're asking about? Okay. Let me stay on the same time frame. So the zone I have marked out on NQ right there is showing you a low that deliver above that high, but I wouldn't consider that the it's supposed to be protected. This low made that high, but this low is not protected, right? It should have been a new high to be protected. So everything in between this and that is a range, okay? Unless we put another low high. This is a protected low on this leg, but if you go like slightly back and you zoom out a little bit, and you're figuring out that this low made that high, that made this low, that made that high, etc. This low, that high, this low. There's a high somewhere in here. So this low, this is somewhat upper equal low, made that high, right? We broke those. We make this and this down move here. What I would see as a protected low. Yeah, this is a protected low on this leg. This low put up that high. Look. Low, high, low. It's supposed to be higher to be protected. It's not even protected on this leg. You see, this is this. There need to be a closure above that to be protected. So yeah, I was trying to figure it out as well as I was like saying it to you, but this is not really protected. No, I wouldn't say so. It is on the lower time frame because it closed above that. So those inside highs, but to be protected, it needs to close above this area right here. Did you get me? Was that clear? Cool. If you have any other question, do not hesitate. You know, as a remark, I'd say this is not really protected because this is what you have to see. This low made that high, making a new low should make a new high. If not, if it makes an inside high like this ends up being lower high. Expect lower low. because price always, even in a range, price trend somewhere, then trend somewhere, then trend somewhere. There's always this inside trend inside a range, right? I know someone that say the whole market is a big range, though I don't think it is wrong. Let's zoom in again. Gold look like moving. Hey. Yeah. Oh, okay, time to just talk. Alright, maybe here we go on gold. Some move, some speed, something. A slight pullback again, and then more low up, right? seem if price start moving up from here, I wouldn't be worried about it going the other way unless we get a strong close above that high here, which swept that little high right there and get down, which is a higher time frame candle, sweeping another candle. Like this is probably a dodgy candle in some time frame. We get above it, then we drop, which make this strong, in my opinion, right? And I wouldn't be worried unless we can close above that with a strong close. And even if, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't take any longer, but maybe my short setup thing would be in jeopardize, right? I don't know how to say that in proper English. Let's see what NQ is saying, right? Yeah, everything is dropping. Interesting. So we're waiting. Did we take that off? Oh wait, not yet. Okay. Price is slow tonight, really slow. Come on, Trump. Just tweet something. Let me see Twitter. do you scalp taps? Let me see the chat. I get what you mean. I think when I messed up most of the time, not waiting for the price to get out of a range. Yeah. I could enlighten you about ranges. I mean, give you some advice. I get what you mean. Do you scalp type on the 1 minute? From our responsible for the breakup structure, do you only take trades from the retracement of the zone that price came from? Let me read that again. Do you scalp taps on the 1 minute? From area responsible. Scalp tap on the 1 minute. Yeah, you mean taking SNDR trades? Yeah, I do. Or do you only take trade from retracement of zone that price came from retracement of zone? I didn't get the second part from the retracement. Did the price come from this zone? Retracement. Oh, here, let me show you. Let's see if price is trending that way. Tap, tap, tap. That's too much, right? Hey. So what I usually do is from the first zone at least, anything above the 50 and stuff, if price give me a flip in that zone, I'll take part in it. Most of the time there's something in here, an SNDR, something, some fractal, something, there's something in here, and I'll probably slap an entry, put my stuff behind here and try to get price to here at least, maybe further down, depend of how fast price is moving at the moment I'm interacting with it, because you have to, after a while in the market you realize that price doesn't always move, I mean it's moving the same way, but depending on the speed it goes with, you can see larger target or smaller targets. Yeah. So this is what I would do. I would like this is kind of my go-to to enter position, or I will go with, wait, let me get this off. How do I enter position? Oh, like this too. You need to find. You see this little zone here. So price give a strong close below, and then give a double top inside of it. You have to be thinking fast to take that kind of trade. I self-stopped this to go there, and I took that short earlier in the US session. Yeah, there was even pre-market yesterday morning. So yeah, there was multiple ways to intervene in price. What I would recommend you if you have struggled waiting for price to do something is you get the zone and then you just put an alert. Just put an alert at some level, at the level that you're interested in, and you get away from screen. Do something else. Go check on your flowers. Do something else. Walk your dog. Do something. And when you get, but be ready when you get the alert, and when you get the alert in your zone, you need to find a flip. Let's say this zone is my zone, this bearish one, so I need to find a trade in it. If price start moving like this, but giving me huge candles, without much retracement like this, I will be less enticed to take a short from here. If price give me swings instead, while still moving in my zone. Yeah, and get to my level and start ranging. Most of the time, put a wick, get below, retest. This is where I'm at on the retest. You see this low put that high on some time frame. This low put that high. We break the low and we come back in the previous range. And this is where I'm at. And then I sell stop this like this. Wherever price go in there is not my problem. I usually don't limit. I mostly sell stop. Like you could limit too, but I don't do it because it's feel like trying to catch a knife that's falling. So if price go through and you have a limit order in there, you get one stop. But if it's stop in there, even there, and then price make its way back here, you get triggered, your stop go below. Your stop goes below the highest point of the price went, of course. Sometimes you get stopped out, sometimes it works. Most of the time it works though, for me at least. If you wait for your level, the level makes sense and you count your swing. And if that doesn't work, this is how I reduce my risk, right? I mean, if this doesn't work, there most of the time will be another opportunity right there that I will take. So I took minus 1R, and I'll probably take an opportunity here, get 4R, and get out. Yeah, this is how most of the time I intervene regarding price action. Okay, makes sense, and thanks for the tip. No, that's fine. Yeah, walk away. I understand that. Starting as a trader, you'd be like, trading is like, it's the job, which it's not the sum of the action you do that equal more money. Let's say you're a cleaner, someone who clean house. The more house you clean, the more money you get. Let's say you're a developer and someone who make apps. Arguably, unless you're selling one app to a million of people, the more app you make, the more money you get. And let's say you're a filmmaker, the more film you make, even if you get bangers, the more money you make. But trading is different for this. It really is different for this, and it's hard for your human brain to understand that. It's not the sum of all the action you make that make more money in trading. Most of the time, it's doing less is more in trading. So to avoid getting FOMO'd and just being there staring at the screen, waiting for your setup, and then ending up in a setup that's not yours, what you can do is just put some alerts on, leave, or do something else. Watch a movie. Don't stare at price while you looking for something to make money. When you're learning your setup and stuff, get the maximum repetition possible. Like, do it a lot, but without money attached, right? Once you get the money attached, don't stare at the screen too much. I'd say it will mess your brain up. Yeah, that's fine. Don't worry about it. But you have to know your setup first. To know your setup first, you have to test it a lot, without money attached. No money attached at first. Once you know your setup, you just come into the market to get your setup. That's it. And then you walk away, and then you come back again, and do the same thing. Alright, let me see. So let me get rid of this. low price action tonight. We got. Oh yeah, we got this. This is decent actually. We open there. Drop again. Cool. That's decent. And here we might be going. Let me see this. Yeah, looks like we're going. Okay. Um, what's happening is the classic S&G are set up like price close below, tap back in this, top up, close below again, but price is tightening in here. Wish we can go back. Oh my god, this is so long. How many strings do we have? We have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 trace. How many swing do we have here? What is this initial breakout? 1, 2. NQ's moving. Not gold though. What about gold? Still nothing. Sweep all that. Going below. Let me see the chat. If anyone has question, still, let me see. Look at me. Maybe my bitrate is not good. I have internet connection issue, right? Alright, let's get that low. Alright, did we get that low yet? Nope. Imagine me, I'm waiting for long in here, and we still down up there. I might find my thing below later on, like in during London. I'm not down to long anything in here. Based on how it looks there, I'm not. Move. Let's go, price. Move. So for anyone joining, I'd be looking for long, but in here, not before. So I'm looking for price to do this, that get me to something like this here. You send my Let me see this. Last time I streamed, price were moving slightly faster. Today, there's not much to say. I still expect price to get below here. In this, in Q, I'm looking for long in here. Gold, I'm looking for short, but on the higher time frame. So I lean for price to give me a close below that. And on the pullback in the previous zone, right, somewhere up there, I'd be willing to short price to get lower. But I'm not looking for this short. Is just a larger correction. I'm still seeing gold how to go up, but based on the number of swings that we already made, I'd expect some short coming out of from gold. We've been trending for a while, and yeah. Let me go back on the 1 minute. CNQ. Is NQ finna take that low? Do your thing, NQ. Do it. Do it. Do it. Tick, 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 tick. There's not much to show for it for now. Oh. Okay. Alright, here we go. Yes. So once we get that low, I expect some kind of pullback based on the fact that we took that low, and then for price to keep cruising down still. Alright, something is up. Get yourself out of here. This is fine. Here comes the low. What's the gold doing? Running is in the other direction. Cool. I'm still having gold taking that low. Let's see. Let's see now if gold is willing to go down. I mean, so we have 1, 2, 3. It's the fourth one. That's the fourth one. May require some deeper pullback though. And this is why entering trade at those levels is not cool. Well, I didn't, but if I was supposed to be in this trade, it should have been from higher. Entering here is weird to take that because price can run back at your entry at your stop before going. Oof. This looks like a sweep of week low. Thank you. Bottom. Wow. That's great. Mm-hmm. Take the low, sweep this high. Do-do-do-do. Let me check the chat. Yo, what are we looking at? Yo, how's it going? We're looking at gold and NQ as usual, but price is pretty slow today, so I get. Let me check something. All right. How are you doing? You good? Let me check this. What? Yeah. Okay. So we're looking at NQ and gold. As I was saying, I'm pretty sold on NQ running higher based on the higher time frame. The same thing as the last time, man. But since we didn't take that, I was expecting for price to do something in here, making some down move and then bang up above those high. It didn't. So now, based on what we have in here, just this up move is cool, but this low put that high and that low didn't put a new high, right? And then we got this that put a weak high again. This low, making this low weak. We're coming at it to sweep it, but I'd like for price to come in here for me to find something. This is where I'd be looking for long. This is so yeah. So I'm looking, we're observing price, but everything's so slow. Slower than last time, at least. I guess, as I was saying, Trump have to put out some tweet or some stuff, so we get some volatility. Oh, you made your first payout? Nice. Charting that right now. Cool. Let me know what you see. Nice. Congratulations, man. For the payout. Let me see. Alright. wouldn't be longing for this low from this low. This low didn't do anything basically. Put up some swing. Tap backing. Come back down. Yeah. It's ranging, but I wouldn't be longing for that low. Which zone? This zone or that zone? That one. Give me price level, man. If you're pointing out something, give me price level so I know what you're talking about. Gold is betraying me. You need a larger pullback, maybe sweep some high in here. What do you mean that lower zone? Which zone are you referring to? Nice. What's on? Oof, it's better. Oh, 21. Let me check this. That is 12, 19. Even this. That's what you mean, right? Probably, but yeah. So what about it? You'd be longing in there, right? That's what you're saying. Alright, let me check. This is not what you're supposed to look. It's not. For longs, yeah. Yeah, you could. Yeah, you could be look. I mean, I could be looking for longs after this gets swept. Below this. Maybe at the 50% somewhere in there. In this. Maybe in here. To take the 1-to-1 or something. Or to go higher, I don't know. But I would like prefer for myself to look into this. But here for scalp, yeah. For scalp, that would be fine for me too. That's a nice spot. I didn't even spot it way before you talked about it, but nice catch. This would be valid for me because this low, you know the drill. We decide that low, decide that low, decide that low, decide this low, right? And this break above those high. We get some kind of bounce at 30%, but that looks weak for me. So, like, we're gonna sweep all of this. If we get below that low, I'd be okay to look for longs with some kind of confirmation. Right? Yeah. If I see a flip in that zone, yeah, I'd be looking. I mean, I'd be okay to take like 5 points, maybe 10, depending on the volatility at the moment, or if I have a good target that I can spot before getting in. Okay, that might be a little bit wrong. Let me check. divergence. I'm not getting what I want from this stream. Price is not at my level, so I didn't take any trade. That it's been a few hours. Yeah, it's been a few hours. How long have you been there? Something like 2, 3, 4 hours maybe. No trade so far. Yeah, I was how that one? How that one? Was it good? I didn't know you. Did I do in New York? No, I did pre-market yesterday morning. That was pretty good. On gold, I took one trade on gold. Take some time. All right. All right. 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I expect some move. Is this? Oh no, I don't have the right time, man. It's not even London open. Maybe London pre-market will do something. Maybe. Hey, let's go. Alright. Oh, might be. Not even close. Alright. This is wild. How long has it been? Bro, 40. Okay. Okay. Should have went to watch a movie instead of swimming today, I guess, because price won't move. Come down, just give me a sharp drop so I can lower. Oh shit. Holy guacamole. This is us. I don't know, it might be. So the only thing is with the number of swing that we have on the last leg here, price might need some deeper pullback before getting Milo, which low, this one. This would be unfortunate. Alright. Here's the first unbalanced stuff, I guess. I don't know, there always was. Oh. Come on, Price, do something. Come on. Did we close below anything here? Not really. Come on, do something. Okay. Oh, so we get to this thing here. Which might reject price. Wow. The lack of movement is staggering. If anyone has questions, you guys want to talk about something? You want to play some tic-tac-toe? Who play chess? What's gold doing? Gold. Oh yeah, gold. I mean, on how you were in there at the start. I mean, gold is just climbing, but I'm looking for short. I took this short earlier yesterday morning. I'm looking for short, but I'd like for gold to get below this and close. Why? Just based on the amount of swing that we have there. This is quite a lot of swings, and I like the move that we got at the top. But then again, gold might just double bottom right there and put a new high. What do I know? But I'm not looking for. I'm not looking for. How can I say that? To long gold because we are already in high, in my opinion. So it would be silly of me to long gold, in my opinion again. Just based on on where we at in price and how many swing we will get, and I think we are primed for some retracements. Doesn't mean that gold is going to zero. Okay. Okay. What is this? There's not enough price movement for me liking. I'll wait 30 minutes, and if price is still sleeping like this, I'll just end the stream here and come back later on. because I'm getting I'm super bored and kind of fixating onto price because I couldn't find any trades that's according to my plan. I mean, yes, of course, there's this short that I've been running all Asian session and stuff, but I was waiting for something else. Alright, let's check something. All right. Interesting. Yeah. This look like a minor scalp. Alright. So let me see. Alright, gold is reaching. Gold is done with this. Gold don't want to play my game. So we see. We are into this. That's cool. I mean, I like the volatility now. Like, if we keep moving like this, I stay a few hours. I don't mind. Let me see what happened there. Okay. And Q. Sweep top. queue about? I haven't queued low still. Alright. But gold. Gold, my friend. Alright. We got some action. So in this, but I wouldn't show this based on the fact that this is first swing, this is second swing, this is third swing, this would be fourth, and we are here, which is the bottom part of the week. I wouldn't show this, even though I was expecting this to go there, but I need to see something else now. Let me see. Oh, yeah. All right. Interesting. Oh. And choosing funny things. Let's go gold. No swing. Gold is just this is reaching. Whoa. Short I getting smoked. Let me see. Higher time frame. Get rid of the drawing. Yeah. Well. I'm not okay. Let me see this because NQ look like it didn't want. NQ just equal low. I guess this might try to put us down again. This little zone in here. It's a nice sweep. Still need a strong close in order to say anything. Let me see. Alright, that's a valid short, I think, and the downside but then the same thing happened to him. Please, whoa. And to the downside, the red zone you have marked right at the 50. What the oh yeah? Did you? What, this little zone here? This? One, two. 28. 1, 2. Oh yeah? Would make sense for me though. Oh. Golden playing that game no more. Let's see, this is what I'd be interested to short though. Like for price to go above this and then get back down. This is exactly where I would be interested to short, but I mean swing we get 2. Yeah, there's a large number of swing nonetheless. I don't know, waiting for some clarity. I feel like I'm getting stuck into price. I would like for here, for too long, or here. Here we go. Is this something I think? took control of Twitter. Let me check. Yeah, this is what I would be looking for short, but we have to flip now. If not, take that, and when we come back in here, this looks like a decent long for me. Need to close above here. Is that part of the structure? Nah, it's not. So yeah, we need to close above here, but this is a part of the lower time frame structure nonetheless. Cool. Now everything looks weak. Huh. Yeah. Now everything looks weak though. It feels nice. Finally got some action. Alright. So what I would expect is, let's see if this can hold price, for price to consolidate around here, drop back here, do this, do that, do this, do that, you get in here, and yeah, if this is what price want, but the only thing I'd be looking for is some kind of pullback before I get in. Because okay, we didn't take that low. Cool. I mean, we equal low at the low. Cool, right? If price start closing up, I'm okay to participate in, but not at the top like this. I will need to see some kind of pullback in there, and some flip in the pullback. Sweep something. Yeah, the only issue is that this is not even part of structure. Alright. Took a nice close on the 15 minute. This isn't a part of structure either on the 15 minute though. This was not, this is not either. And let me see on the 1 minute. Hello. Yeah, this is structure on the 1 minute. The 1 minute flip is here. Wasn't there because there's nothing. Let me see. Oh yeah, maybe the 1 minute flip right there. Yeah, I see you, Price. I see you. This is not what you want to see. This is and just like that, price stopped moving again. Let me see. Let me check the chat. Oh, me and I've been talking. Let's go to my friend can do the same thing. Pen to NQ, please. Yeah, the red zone you have market while at the 50 hour. What's the And that basically the top of the range. Let's get around pretty fast thinking about it now. Potentially have a smart reaction. Where am I from? I'm from France. I'm from France. Where are you from? I'm from France. Emiliano. Based on your name, you're probably from Italy or something. US. Oh, great. I thought you were from Italy. So that's fine. US me like it. Cool, cool. You say so. Let me see. All right. Hey. This is what playing right now. I don't know anymore based on the fact that we're low in the range, but this I'd expect this to put on your low. Yeah, I'd expect this to put on your low. Same. Can be wrong, but I would expect it's what I would expect from here. Where's my pullback? If I get the pullback, I might try something in here before looking off. Do I get enough swing down? 1, 2, 3. This is nuts. reaction out of the 50% of that zone, right? That's a clean swoop, the high, like nice sweep of this high, right? And then beautiful reaction. I think this is a valid pullback, but I would be more enticed to buy NQ and not gold because it didn't take that low. If we were to sweep that low and do exactly the same thing, I'm more enticed to buy gold too. But here I'm still looking for gold to trade below this. I could be wrong, yeah? Could be wrong, but I'm still looking for gold to trade below this. And NQ is giving me vibes like vibes. NQ is showing me something that I like to go long instead of short, just because we went at the low, at this low, so this could be some kind of support, something like this, and so it might find strength from this one, but no longing of gold. Because of what I explained, but NQ I'd be okay longing, yeah. Hey. looking for that short on an NQ. Look at the H1. What do you think? Let me see. H1. So this side, so you have, so you have this trend up there, cool. You have this low mid that high, which is sweep that, come here, sweep that, come back here. Yeah, this looks short, but remember what we were talking about last time, bro, which is this zone right here. Price go out of it, tap into it, tap lower, flip one high, come back, doesn't take the low, come back the high, come back, doesn't take the low. This low to that high, not this first, this low to that high is the range, right? We are in the middle of the range right here, and this low to that high, if you take a more precise distribution, is the latest range. And what did we do last? This low made a new high, and that low made a new high. None of those high had made new lows. Just based on that, I refuse to go like to have a strong sentiment toward shorting higher time frame. For now, I'm still looking for long on the NQ. Could be wrong, but for now, I'm still looking for long. Just based on that, we're here in the middle of the range, and this low made that high, and that low made that high. So even if you take that as a range, we're here. And the last thing we do is this low made that high. So we expect this to happen. And lower time frame, this is this. Right? So yeah. Again, I could be wrong, but for me to be looking for shorts, I need for NQ to start giving me this and give me that, and here I'm looking for short to get, Yeah, when I look at the higher time frame, it's giving me vibes. You want a short, but there's no actual thing that's saying short in this for me. Yeah, you're welcome, bro. You're welcome. And then again, price can just drop from here. What do I know? But if it does that, then we'll find an entry lower, on the retracement to and just react to what price does instead of pushing it toward what I want it to do. Oh, look at this. What is this? Let me see. One, two. Yeah, but this is the first imbalance. This imbalance can put a new high. me see. First imbalance, new high, think anything. Alright, cool. Oh, interesting. Nice. Alright. So not doing so far tonight, which is fine. I mean, the price didn't come where I wanted it. This might have been me though. Might have. Clean one for this one. I called it, right? First imbalance, new high. Alright, I'll be back. I'll be back later though. I'm kind of tired. Price refused to go to my levels. I'll be back later. Thanks for attending. I'll probably stream tonight. I mean tomorrow night, though. Alright. Cool. Have a nice day though. Have a nice